Actually, the reason is that so far 24 Online has been catering to the small segments and the small areas of the industry. Say for example, when we started 24 Online in the market, we started with this very small solution catering to the needs of the cable operator segment. The small cable operators started internet services on cable. At that time it was not even known as broadband. So when internet on cable started, we started that concept with the 24 Online. So it was a very small piece of the market in terms of revenue, in terms of subscriber base, in terms of network size. So that is the reason that it was not highlighted that much. Gradually by time new services entered and value-added services started, and the network size also grown to a different level. Another good part is that these network itself means through DOT and TRAI, the new laws came up that now these guys cannot run the networks without ISP license. So they have to merge with somebody, some big ISP under their umbrella they have to come. So that is the reason that now that transformation has came. And secondly, in 24 Online also we have, catered to various market segments. From ISP we moved on to hospitality, then to hotspots. So now we feel this is the right time that we have grown to that level that we highlight this particular thing in the market, and we leverage the all we come into limelight, and we also hype the product that it is catering to big networks and various market segments.
Right.
So now the time has came that we propagate. Yes, exactly. So that's our plan now, and now we are coming up with more road shows in future, and more media activities will be there, more marketing activities will be there. Secondly, it's not only Indian market, we are also a global player today, having already installations in 40 plus countries, and we have more than 2000 networks today running on 24 Online, which caters to again various market segments. Like hospitality is there, then we have ISPs, we have hotspots. So that way now it is the right time for us. Nowadays we are more focused towards the hospitality, because hospitality is a very much growing market for us, and ISP is definitely, since the inception of the product, it is the focused market for us. And thirdly, we have started catering to two more market segments. We are now launching a product for the cable industry again, which is coming up for the pay TV billing solution, cash billing.
Okay.
So that is a new product we are going to launch within 1 or 2 months.
Okay.
And third, we have launched the Neox IP telephony solutions.
Okay.
So we have launched our own soft switch as well as IP PBX.
Okay. You talked about hospitality. Yes. What are the benefits channel partners can gain from focusing on the hospitality sector?
Yes, see, the first and the foremost benefit what I see is that this is a growing market, because if we see 1 or 2 years back, that this trend was only for the 4-star, 5 stars and class of properties. But nowadays it is a very basic requirement. Every small hotel, maybe guest house or even a lodge, they are also providing such kind of services. So this is a very much growing market for the partners. It's a volume game, one thing. Secondly, the best part is that these guys, if they go to promote 24 Online solution in the hotel, in that case, this is the entry point for them. That they enter to the hotel, that you take this particular billing and the management solution for Wi-Fi management. But on the other end, then hotel does not have the IT infrastructure or the Wi-Fi infrastructure. So they become the turnkey solution provider for the hospitality, that they are selling the access points also, they are selling the routers also, they are selling the bandwidth also along with our solution. So this is the most prestigious things for them, that along with 24 Online they are getting other value added services as an offering to. See, currently we have approximately 150, near around 150 channel partners across India. Plus we have approximately 50 plus channel partners across in the ROW, I can say. And now our focus is increasing the channel partners, because we are not interested in doing direct business. We are more focused on channel creations. And channel, again, there are various kind of supports we are providing to the channel community. One thing is that we are doing a lot of marketing campaign to increase the awareness of the product in the industry. Secondly, it is already a proven product in the industry, used by many good 5-star and above properties. If I name, then you can see the properties like Sheraton, Radisson Carlson Group, then the property like Oberoi, Ramada, they are using 24 online today. So we are also in touch with Hyatt. That in fact we have one deployment in Hyatt.
Famous names in also.
Yeah. So it is not something new for them or a name which is not there in the market.
Right.
They are already taking a brand with them. For them also it is easier to take a brand and have fast selling instead of having a long sales cycle. They can have faster closures. Secondly, as it is already established player today in the market, it is already integrated with all the well-known PMS providers in the industry. The most important like Micros is the one which has Opera and the Fidelio as the operating hospitality management systems provided to the industry. They are on the top. Then we have IDS in India, we have Xiaomi, we have Amdocs, we have Protel, we have a long list. Along with the hospitality management system, we are integrated with payment gateways, we are integrated with SMS providers, bulk SMS providers. So it is already a complete product that whatever you need in the industry is already available in the product. Yeah. After 1 year, first thing is that as far as Indian market is concerned, we always feel that we are the market leaders today. Though we were already the market leaders in the ISP segment, but today we are the market leaders in the hospitality as well. But we want to take this leadership in the global market. So our plan is to have more and more channel partners and grow the business along with the partners. Yes, we are present throughout India. Direct or indirect. We have operations in all the metros. Yes.
Okay.
And
what about 2 and 3 tier cities?
we are catering to all.
All.
Yes. Means you can see that we have installations in Ladakh also.
Okay. Great.
So you can understand that we have installations in Haridwar. We have installations in city like Haridwar, in city like Lucknow, Aligarh. So you can imagine that we are present in every kind of all class of cities. See, my advice to the channel partners is that first of all, if not specifically speaking from 24/9 point of view, I'll say openly that they should evaluate the product. They should see that which product is providing them the best flexibility, good margins, and above all the good support. It's not only one-time selling, especially if we talk about hospitality.
Right.
It is already a service industry.
Yes.
So there, if a guest is not getting internet access, it spoils the entire reputation of the hotel itself. So the product which is already having good number of deployments, fulfilling all the requirements of the industry, they should select such a product and such a company.
Thank you for speaking.